People are really excited about these classics. We're seeing excitement from the salespeople, from management, and most from our customers. Hopefully encourage these restorations to continue. We're excited to reveal our 1969 Porsche 911E Targa.
We want to take this time to thank everybody that's followed this project and been supporters of the restoration. Brett from Arizona Resurfacing that did all the body work and the paint on the vehicle. I'd like to also thank Gina and her family from the option. They did the interior on the vehicle. And of course the main culprit right here, Jim Guthrie, our master tech, and Jesse. All right, with no further ado, Restoration Challenge vehicle